Which car do you like? Which car do you like? Are you fair? Are you fair? The girl is good at this. The girl is good at this. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. This is her phone. This is her phone. I am feeling much better. I am feeling much better. What's the date today? What's the date today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hold it. Hold it. It's late. It's late. Does she know you? Does she know you? Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Stop there. Stop there. Don't worry. Don't worry. We have our lunch at 1 p.m. We have our lunch at 1 p.m. They are in the class. They are in the class. Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? I am better. I am better. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Read aloud. Read aloud. Can I go? Can I go? How lovely. How lovely. He fell at my feet. He fell at my feet. Read aloud. Read aloud. How long will it take? How long will it take? What to cook? What to cook? Let me see. Let me see. What about you? What about you? I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. I am fine. I am fine. Let it be. Let it be. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't show your face again. Don't show your face again. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. Clean up the room. Clean up the room. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. That looks great. That looks great. I have to go to the office. I have to go to the office. Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I exchange US dollars? Anything else? Anything else? May I speak to John, please? May I speak to John, please? I like you. I like you. You are the most beloved to me. You are the most beloved to me. Don't intervene in this matter. Don't intervene in this matter. I am sorry to have kept you waiting. I am sorry to have kept you waiting. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? On the left. On the left. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sorry, I don't have a pencil. Sorry, I don't have a pencil. How was your day? How was your day? Where is he from? Where is he from? I am terribly hungry. I am terribly hungry. Can it be cheaper? Can it be cheaper? He has a car. He has a car. You need to go. You need to go. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. What do you want? What do you want? All people are not alike. All people are not alike. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. You look busy. You look busy. Become. Become. Take this. Take this. Never eat stale food. Never eat stale food. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. How much is it? How much is it? We play on Sunday. We play on Sunday. How was the math test? How was the math test? Don't be smart. Don't be smart. At any cost. At any cost. It's funny. It's funny. I did not say this. I did not say this. Won't you go? Won't you go? He remained silent. He remained silent. How foolish. How foolish. Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? How is your mother now? How is your mother now? What a pity. What a pity. He can be sent by his uncle. He can be sent by his uncle. Again and again. Again and again. Walk fast. Walk fast. Put them incorrectly. Put them incorrectly. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Think about your old parents. Think about your old parents. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Write your name at the top. Write your name at the top. Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's possible? He studies computer science. He studies computer science. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? He studies at Calcutta University. He studies at Calcutta University. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. Our children are in London. Our children are in London. Who loves you more, your mom or father? Who loves you more, your mom or father? Why are you not sleeping? Why are you not sleeping? I will buy this thing too. I will buy this thing too. Is it free? Is it free? What an amazing view! What an amazing view! I want to give you a flower. I want to give you a flower. When does the train leave? When does the train leave? Who is he? Who is he? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.